Okay, so today we're going to palpate the metacarpals. Starters, we're going to start with the trapezium. You're going to start at the thumb. You work your way down the thumb, and when you find the divot, that's where the trapezium will be located. Okay, so this time we're going to find the capitate and the trapezoid. So to find the capitate, you go down the third metacarpal, otherwise known as the middle finger. Follow that down. At the bottom of this, you'll find the capitate. And then between the capitate and the trapezium, you'll find the trapezoid right in there. Now we're going to find the hamate. So to find the hamate, flip the hand over, and you're going to palpate in the hypothemal region. And the easiest way to find the hamate is to find the hook of it. So once you find the hook right in here, then you'll find the hamate. And this region can be quite tender on the patient. Next we'll be finding the lunate. So the easiest way to find the lunate is to start at your third metacarpal, slide down until you find the capitate, and then if you have the patient bend their wrist this way, the lunate will be this bone right here that you see that kind of pops out. Makes it really easy to palpate once you get them to turn their wrist over. And it'll just be right proximal to the capitate. Okay, now we're finding the scaphoid. So the easiest way to find this, you'll start and you'll find the scaphoid tubercle, which will be right down here. Kind of can be in the meaty part of the thumb. You feel around through there, you find the scaphoid tubercle. Then if you have the patient flip their hand back over and lift their thumb, you'll find what we call the snuff box. And then right between there is where the scaphoid will be. And if you see, if they kind of relax a little bit, you can move the scaphoid around. Now we'll be finding the pisiform. Pisiform is probably the easiest carpal to find. It's very prominent, located right down in here, and you can feel that super bony area. And it's the only carpal with a tendon insertion from the forearm. Next we'll be finding the triquetrum. This is located on the ulnar side. So if you feel right here, along through this area, and then have your patient do ulnar deviation, you can feel the triquetrum. It kind of just pops right out. It's located right in there. So if Nick goes back and then deviates again, you can see it kind of pop out right through there.